Welcome to my channel. Netgear BE3600 Wi-Fi System Setup Guide. Plug the BE3600 router into a power outlet using the supplied adapter. Connect the router's WAN Internet port to your modem using an Ethernet cable. Wait for the router's LED lights to stabilize, indicating it's powered on and ready for setup. On your smartphone, download the Netgear Nighthawk app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and, if prompted, sign in or create a Netgear account. Allow camera access if prompted, then scan the QR code found on your BE3600 router. Disconnect all devices from your modem. Reboot your modem and wait for it to fully power up. Connect the modem to the router as described above. Power on the router and wait for the sync LED to blink. Connect your phone to the default Wi-Fi network, SSID, shown on the router's label, creating a new Wi-Fi network, name SSID and password. If prompted, update the firmware to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. Thanks for watching.